Good morning, everyone. My name is Tairu Wada, and you are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tairu Boost IQ. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Good day, everyone. My name is Tairu Wada, and you are welcome to Learning and Earning series. Today, we are going to look at how to find the first term and the common ratio of geometric progression. And another name for geometric progression is called exponential sequence. And the sequence given to us are, so we have the like of 6, 18, 54, and 162. And the second one, we have 1 all over 2, 1 all over 4, and 1 all over 8. So we are going to solve the first one. Solution. They say we should find the first term, which is A, and the common ratio of the following geometric progression, which is GP. The first term is A, and it's always the first value. So our first term is what? 6. While the common ratio R is equals to what? Second term divided by first term, or third term divided by what? Second term, which we call it T2 over T1 all over what? T3 over T2. The T2 there is the second term. The second term here is 18, while the first term here is 6. While this side, the third term here is 54, while the second term here is 18. So why we say our T1 is 6, our T2 is 18, and our T3 is what? 54. Following this formula, we say that our T2 over T1, 18 divided by 6 will give us 3. And T3 divided by T2, our T3 is 54, and 54 divided by what? 18 will give us 3. And the rule is what? The common ratio must be the same within the what? The range. This is how to find the what? The first term and the common ratio if we have a question like this. First term is the first value. How do you get the common ratio? Is second term divided by the first term is the same thing as what? Third term divided by the second term. And if the answer are not the same, then it is not what? Geometric progression. It should be what? Arithmetic what? Progression. Now let's move to the second one, which is what? When it is in fractional form. Remember that the value given to us are the first term is 1 all over 2, the second term is 1 all over 4, and the third term is what? 1 all over what? 8. So the common ratio R is the what? T2 all over T1 and what? T3 all over what? T2. The first term there is 1 all over 2, so our A is 1 all over 2. So how do we get this common ratio? So we already stated the formula. T1 is 1 all over 2, T2 is 1 all over 4, and T3 is 1 all over 8. So T2 now, which is 1 all over 4 divided by 1 all over 2, is equals to what? We can write 1 all over 4 as what? 1 all over 4 divided by 1 all over 2. Is equals to what? 1 all over 2. So we change this division sign to multiplication, and we interchange the numerator and the denominator. These two will go up and the 1 will come down. Then 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is what? 4. And 2 divided by 4 is 1 all over 2. Or we can say the third term all over the what? The second term. What is our third term? 1 all over 8. And what is our second term? 1 all over 4. 1 all over 8 divided by 1 all over 4 will give us what? 1 all over 4 divided by 1 all over what? 1 all over 8 divided by 1 all over 4. Now, 1 all over 4, this division sign will change to multiplication, and the 4 will go up, the 1 will come down. 1 times 4 is 4, 8 times 1 is 8. Then 4 divided by what? 8 is what? 2. So you can see whether T2 divided by T1, the answer is still 1 all over 4. And T3 divided by T2 is still 1 all over 4. The answer must be the same. If the answer are not the same, it means that it's either what? Arithmetic what? Progression, or is not none of them at all. This is how to find the what? The first term and the common ratio of what? Geometric what? Progression. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you.